Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to hide HUD in Hytale. Now the first thing I want you to do is actually press the enter key on your keyboard. This will open up the chat box and I want you to just type in /op space self. Then I want you to press enter. That will give you the operator permissions, and once you have these admin permissions you can go ahead and change to creative mode. So press O on your keyboard. Once you press O, as you can see, our game mode has been set to creative, and then we just press tab on our keyboard. We can actually open up this menu, and then here on the right hand side you'll see creative mode quick settings. I want you to scroll down here until you see the UI visibility settings, and then you'll actually see hide HUD. So to hide all the HUD elements, go ahead and toggle this one on. And then if I press tab again, as you can see, we don't have the HUD. You can of course set back to adventure mode as well by pressing O, and you'll still have the HUD hidden. And that is how to hide HUD in Hytale. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. It really helps me out as well.